Okay. Anything else around here? Supplies, you know? There were some more. Can I open this? No, it's closed. It's too bad. There was some ammo back there. That's okay. You get 4 batteries, 31 bullets, campgrounds in the revolver, and I think 6 rounds. Yes, 6 rounds in the hunting rifle, no flares. What?
Barry?
Ow! The porch is covered with birds. They've got all Hitchcock on me.
Stay out of sight. I'm on my way. Don't open the door.
What, am I crazy?
Stay hidden. I'll be there soon. Just make sure you keep the lights on.
Yeah, keep the lights on. Coming for you, buddy. Freaking birds. Okay.
I still had to reach Barry at the cabin, but at least I was out of the woods.
That's something. Got the thermos. Nothing here. Let me just check here. Got some ammo, some batteries. Okay, we got 6 batteries, 42 rounds for the revolver, 6 for the hunting rifle. No flares. What is this? It's a car.
I'd have to get the car from the locked garage. It would get me back to Barry faster, and the headlights were a welcome bonus.
Yes, of course. Find garage keys. That's a bit nonsensical. You know, I do have a revolver and a hunting rifle. I could just shoot the lock. Closed for renovation. Easy.
I had to find the key to the garage.
Oh? Oh, garage keys. What? TV set. Before picking that up, because I think that will trigger... Oh, look, manuscript page.
I needed the garage key to get to the car.
I know. Nightingale fires awake.
The FBI agent's command froze me in place. I considered surrender. It was all falling apart anyway. I could give in, let someone else deal with it. But it felt all wrong. Call it instinct. His posture. The way he held the gun. He was no friend. Shots ringing in my ears, I leaped for the hole in the fence and stumbled into the darkness beyond.
I knew it. Hunting rifle ammo. Showers back here. No
The
women
garage
showering.
key had to be somewhere nearby.
I know where the garage key is. Just exploring. I think that's it. Okay, let's pick the garage keys.
A story is not a machine that does what you tell it. A story is a beast with a life of its own. You can create it, shape it, but as the story grows, it starts wanting things of its own. Change one thing and you set off a chain reaction of events that spreads through the whole thing. The characters have to be true to themselves. The events need to follow a logic that fits the story. A single flaw and the magic is gone. The story dies. Alice dies.
That was weird. Oh crap. Freaking taken. Pupitorium here. And another. Anybody else? I see you, bird. I see you. I think that bird just warped out of existence. Unlock. Come on. Okay. We're gonna drive. Last time I drove, I ended up, going off a cliff or something like that. Come on, buddy. Okay, now you die. Haha. That was good. Okay. So, is this my car? I don't know. Let's go this way. I see some taken. Do I need to kill these guys? Well, might as well. Come on. Good. Die. Good. Uh-oh. And die. No. Okay, good. We got taken here. And going Grand Theft Auto on you, man. Are you freaking taken? No, these guys were not just ready. Oh, sorry. Okay, this way. Really fuzzy. With all the darkness around. Elderwood National Park. We got some logs. This guy. You're dead. Okay. And now you die. That was awesome. Come at me, bro. You're dead. Okay, berries this way. Yeah, I think so. Okay. Come on, up. Can I exit this? Something here. The hell? I don't think that's a good way to go. I think maybe that's the way I climbed down when I first started heading for, the meeting point with the kidnapper. Yeah, this is where all the darkness. Ugh. There was the skeleton there. You remember? If not, check the previous episodes. Let's go up. Up. Oh, no. I don't want to go on foot. I might just have to. Can I move this? No. Okay, on foot it is. The hell was that? Flare gun ammo.
The flare gun was probably the best weapon I could imagine against the dark things I was facing.
Yeah, it is. That's why I'm going to save it. Yeah, this is where I started. Oh crap. Okay. Flare gun. Uh-oh, flare gun again. Good. Okay, kick some ass. Reload, reload. Okay. Catch your breath, man. Now, careful. Phone.
It was the kidnapper.
You son of a bitch! Where's my wife?
Enough horseplay, Wake. You deliver the manuscript, and you can have your woman back. Simple as that.
I don't... Listen. I'm gonna need time to finish it. I still need to write the ending. I need a week.
It's not done.
I need a week.
2 days. The old Bright Falls coal mine is nearby. You can find it easy, city boy. The main building, there at noon. You bring the manuscript, you'll get your wife. If not, well, get me?
Yes, I get you.
Oh boy. We got a lot of birds. They're going Hitchcock on Barry. Move over, you freaking bird.
Barry had talked about birds over the phone.
The darkness controls the Taken. Newsflash. Save Barry from the birds. I'll try. Okay, this way.
Al! Al, I am so glad you're here. A couple of them got in here before I blocked the chimney. This isn't normal. These birds are weird.
Yeah. Guess as much. Open. Open. What the? Oh crap. Exactly how... Oh. Flares. Okay. Come on. Come on. Flares. Batteries. Where are you? Burning down the birds. I see you.
Al, make them go away, please!
I'm trying. Stop whining. Oh crap. Oh crap. No. Okay, so how do I defeat these things? Come on. Die already. Here they come again. Come on. Come on. And... okay. We get a new flock coming this way. Stop hitting me. Yeah, I'm inserting batteries, but they're kicking my ass.
Barry, you can open the door now. They're gone.
You sure? Okay, so 36 bullets for the revolver, 9 rounds for the hunting
Al.
rifle.
I'm sorry for thinking you were having a psychotic episode, man.
Yeah, 2 flares.
I sent Barry to the town to ask around about a man fitting the kidnapper's description. He'd go through the archives of the local paper. Perhaps he could learn something. Anything about the island and the cabin that had disappeared. The man wanted a manuscript. I had to try to write him one to get Alice back. For me, the supernatural had always been nothing but a metaphor for the human psyche, a tool to use in writing fiction. Now, it was happening for real, and I couldn't put a single word on paper.
Barry Wheeler speaking.
This is Rose.
Rose?
I found Mr. Wake's pages.
Oh, you sweet, brilliant girl.
Could you and Mr. Wake come get them? I live in the trailer park outside the town.
We'll be there in less than an hour.
I know.
See you soon.
Uh-oh.
Have a great day. Hope you come back soon. Welcome to the old dear diner.
Good girl.
Uh-oh. This is really not good. I'm guessing this is the end of the chapter. Yeah.
Destruction and creation are the same thing.